Hello everyone, I'm Shamanth CSAT faculty at Insights IAS. I welcome you once again for the question of the day series. In the last video, I have given this question as the homework, which is the bouncer. Let's solve this bouncer today. Ratio of age of A and B is 3:5. Two people are there, their age ratio is 3:5. Okay, and you guys are familiar here. I can put 3 as 3x and 5 as 5x here. 3x, 5x. 9 years ago means you have to subtract 9 from each. Okay, whenever the case of ages, if one person loses 9 years, the other person or else each and every person also has to lose 9 years. That's what 3x minus 9, 5x minus 9. And the result becomes is equal to, the ratio is 12:23. See, 12 by 23. Now, if I solve this one here, 23 into 3, 69x. Minus 9 into 23, I'll write, is equal to 5 into 12 is 60x minus 9 into 12 here. Okay. Now, if this comes this side, 69x minus 60x is 9x, and this 9 into 23 goes this side. 23 9 gets subtracted with 12 9s, and the remainder is 11 into 9. Okay. So, 9 will get cancelled. X value becomes 11. If x is 11, 3x is 33. 5x becomes 55. Okay, their present age is 33 and 55, and the question says find the age of the youngest member. Youngest member's age is what here? 33. And this is today's question, guys. Okay, the question is under the concept of average, but basically this you can say it as time and work concept also. Okay, look here now. A car travels from A to B at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour and returns at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed of the whole journey. Now, many of the students, what they do is, since average is asked, you will do this one, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, okay, which is nothing but 60, right? 40 plus 60, which is nothing but 50, okay. But this 50 is the average of two numerical values, two numbers. But what is he asking for? Average of speed. How to find the average speed? Average speed, to find out, you need to have the total distance and the total time taken. Without the total distance and the total time, we cannot find the average speed. Okay, look here now. This is what the question says. From point A to point B, a car is traveling and the average speed of this journey is 40 kilometers per hour and returns from B to A at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Now, we don't know the distance here. Hence, what to do in this case? Let's assume a distance which gets easily divisible by 40 and 60, which is nothing but LCM. LCM of 40 and 60 is 120. I'll assume the distance as 120. 120 kilometers traveled at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour means you require 3 hours to complete the journey from A to B. Similarly, while traveling from B to A, you are traveling at 60 kilometers per hour. If you are traveling at 60 kilometers in 1 hour to cover 120 kilometers, the total time taken is 2 hours. Means you are taking A to B 3 hours and B to A 2 hours. Totally how many hours? 5 hours. This is the total time taken. In this 5 hours, what is the total distance covered? From here to here 120 and back 120. So total distance covered is 240 kilometers. 240 kilometers if you are traveling in 5 hours, the average speed is nothing but 48 kilometers per hour. So this is the answer here. This you can do in this manner also. Okay, 40, 60, you take the LCM, 120. Okay, here 120 by 40 is 3, 120 by 60 is 2, 120 kilometer one side, both side 240, 240 by 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, so the answer is 48 kilometers per hour. Again, this is very similar question with a different data I am giving. Try to solve this question and put the answer in the comment section, guys. This is the bouncer of today. Thank you, and I'll meet you in the next video.